so you can see I got my chicken for $2.87 a pound right there. This is one of our easiest dinners. I take 2 of these, and I have a husband and 2 teen boys, and I just make chicken bites just like so. Going to sprinkle with my homemade seasoned salt. The recipe is in the description below. It's also in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, which you can get in the link in the description below. Guys, if you are loving these super easy recipes, would you please hit that thumbs up button and share our videos? That lets YouTube know that you like my videos and inspires me to keep going on. Okay, that's looking yummy. Okay, they're pretty much cooked through. While I'm waiting for my rice and my broccoli to finish, I'm turning off the heat and just letting it finish cooking with the heat. Now, I get a lot of people asking about recipes for 1 or 2 people. So what I do when it's just my husband and I will buy a big package like this because it's cheaper by the pound. And then I will just cut it up into either the tenderloins, or if I'm going to be cooking chicken breasts, usually I cut them in half so that they cook quicker. I'm doing tenderloins now because that's what I want. And literally it takes me 5 minutes to cut up this amount of chicken. Okay, then what I do is I take my plastic storage bag here, and this is a serving for 2 people or for lunch and dinner for 1 person. So we're gonna have fajitas one day, so I'm gonna put that in and get my fajita stuff already going. Then another day we're gonna have the Montreal seasoning. Now, guys, we have these recipes in our cookbook for the spices. What I do is just go in, and I've had these for a long time, and I just refill them, and then I just already know what they are. So then just mush it together, and then just throw it in the freezer like that. I don't have the smaller freezer bags at the moment, so that's why I did this. And then you could just take this out as needed and cook it up for each dinner. Here's another tip. I have some chicken that I just cut up that I need to bleach. My cutting board right here, I just keep a small thing of bleach so that I don't have the huge container. Looks like it's empty. And what I do is just refill it and store it in there. Then I can just pull out the little one, and it's not so hard to maneuver. All right, and I need to bleach my sink since I had some chicken in there, so I'll wipe it down. Then I'm gonna wipe everything I touched, like the salt shaker and all that. Just put a little bit on here and wipe it all down just to make sure I'm not spreading chicken germs. I checked my timer on my phone, and it took me 1 minute to do all of that. Now, I poke a little hole and pour out the extra water first. Okay. Okay. Broccoli. Kids broccoli. Dad broccoli. There, I'll put the rest on hers. See, am I a mother of 4 children or what?
Yep.
There is the cooked chicken. Okay. And let's put some on right there. Put some on right there. Put some on right there. What?
Just laughing at the kids. Broccoli.
Okay, now rice. There we go. Ooh, it should be going a little bit more. Hold on. Boop. Let me test. See, maybe not. No, yeah, like 3 more minutes.
It's al dente.
It's very al dente.
That's about 2 more pieces than your mom's would have.
Yep. All right, Jack dinner's almost ready.
Oh, is this mine?
Yes. That's the kids' plate. Are you
Makes
happy
sense.
with the kids' plate?
Yes, I'm very happy with it.
Okay. Got to build strong bones and muscles there.
Gotta have your vegetables.
Plenty of vegetables.
Yep.
Because you're a growing boy. You're a growing boy up there above me.
Okay, I think the rice might be done now. Okay, here we go. Okay, there's one. This is my easy meal, less than 20 minutes. It would have gone even quicker if my rice would have already been made, but